How to connect PS4 to hotel Wi-Fi with phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your PS4 to hotel Wi-Fi using your phone, perfect for when you're traveling and want to play or stream without delays. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Turn on your phone's mobile hotspot. First, let's use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and turn it on. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and choose Hotspot and Tethering. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure you set a password you will remember. Step 2. Connect your PS4 to the hotspot. Now, on your PS4, go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, choose Use Wi-Fi, Easy, then select your phone hotspot from the list. Enter the password and connect. After a few seconds, it should say connected to the internet. Step 3. Optional. Test the connection. If you want, test the connection to make sure it's working properly. Go to Test Internet Connection and you will see if everything is set. Keep in mind, this uses your mobile data, so check your plan. Alternative method. Using hotel Wi-Fi login. If you prefer to use the hotel Wi-Fi directly, here's a quick workaround. Connect your PS4 to the hotel Wi-Fi by going to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, Use Wi-Fi, Easy, then select the hotel's Wi-Fi. The PS4 will connect it, but the internet might fail during the login page. Now, grab your phone and connect it to the same hotel Wi-Fi. Open your browser and the login page should appear. Log in with your room number or access code. Once done, the network will often allow your other devices, like the PS4, to use internet too. And that's it. That's how you connect your PS4 to hotel Wi-Fi using your phone. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.